Let's do another easy crochet install. Y'all loved my last crochet video, so I figured I'd film this install also. This time we're using Ula Hair's Burmese curly crochet. Super pretty. I used 2 packs of their 24-inch and I custom colored it, but you can also order brown. They have blonde, they have burgundy already colored, so you don't have to custom color them yourself. So I like to start in the front, you guys know, but this time since I'm filming, I'll just start in the back and show you exactly how I do the process. It's super easy. You just thread the needle through your braid, you hook the crochet hair onto the hook, you close the latch, you pull it through your braid, and then you just thread the crochet hair in through the loop. And that's it. That's how I do it. And I just go all the way around the perimeter because I want to make sure that my perimeter is secured. And I'll show you the front, what I mean by starting in the front. I like starting in the front and at the top because then I can gauge just how full this hair is about to be. If I start at the back and I really pack it in on the back, it just starts getting super heavy and the front is sparse. I start in the front and it just gives me the best amount of coverage. It's way more even that way. So you'll see me just work around my head, start at the front, start at the top, and then work my way down. I don't know, I feel a rant coming. I am just so into the crochet hair as opposed to like a sew-in, as opposed to wearing wigs, because you get the access to your scalp that a really good sew-in is gonna give you. But also if you do a sew-in with a net, you're not gonna get this amount of scalp freeness, you know? Now I love a good wig because obviously you could put it on, you could take it off, but I feel like it's tugging on my edges. My hairline's already super fine. I'm not trying to have breakage and lose hair there. And so this is just the best protective style for me, para mí. But I don't know. I feel like the girlies are into it too. The comments were like, yeah, I love it. I've been doing crochet forever. And I don't know. I feel like it's the most style. I don't know. How do you take care of it? Just make sure you wash and condition regularly. Get your scalp nice and clean. Moisturize with a water-based product, and then seal in the moisture with a oil. I kind of use this Inner Sense I Create Hold for everything, but I like it for my edges. I don't know why it works, but it works. And yes, my hair looks a little light, but it dries clear, and you can see the end results. It looks so fire. Oh my God, I love it. It's so soft. The hair is so soft. It's so nice. I think I'm gonna add some highlights in the front. If I do, I'll make sure I film it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I am just like, yeah, this might be the one. Bye.